In this question from the chapter application of derivatives, maxima minima, we have to find the minimum value for this function where xy is equal to c square. Now, first thing that we'll do is to obtain, say, y from here. If you get y from here, it's what? C square by x. And now let's take this function as fx. So we say fx we have as ax plus by. Now I'm going to substitute y here as I'm going to write the equation in terms of x. So we'll have now fx as ax plus b times y, and y is what? C squared by x from here. Now for increasing or decreasing, we just have to first find its derivative. If I find its derivative, the derivative of ax is what? That's a plus bc square, and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So this is going to be minus x square. Now we'll also find its second order derivative. So we'll find f double dash x is equal to, this will become 0. This is minus bc square. This is 1 by x square, which is what? X raised to the power minus 2, whose differentiation will be minus 2 x raised to the power minus 3. Right, so it's minus 2 over x cube. So minus will become plus over x cube. Now, once we have found its second order derivative, now will be for maxima or minima, f dash x has to be equated with 0. So equating this with 0, what we are getting? This is a minus bc square by x square is equal to 0. So by transposing this to the other side, it's going to be positive of this. And later we can see that this is x square on cross multiplication will become this. So finally, we'll have x is equal to plus minus under root b over a, and c will come out of the under root. We got x as this. Now we have to show that this is case of minima. That means f sine of f double dash x has to be positive. As you must be knowing, if f double dash x, this pen is not working. We know that if f double dash x at whatever the critical point here, if it is greater than 0, we say it's a point of minima. Now, in order to solve this, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to plug in f double dash x at f double dash, was that plus minus under root b over, say, under root ac is equal to what? This is bc square, right? The numerator is bc square over x cube. That means cube of this. So this is under root, let me write it together. This is under root b over under root a whole cube and c cube. Now we know that here, yeah, this will be going to be what? F double dash x in this case is coming as greater than 0. As you can see, these are positive values here. These under root has to be positive. Therefore, we'll say that minimum at x is equal to this. Where is that? X is equal to, where we find the value of x. Yeah, at x is equal to this. Now, since we have to also find the minimum value, we are going to replace the minimum value in this case is going to be replacing x with this. This is plus minus under root b over under root a c plus b. B and y is this. So that is equal to c square by x. And we have the value of y from here, c square by x square, and x from here is whatever it comes. This is x square, c square by x, and x is this. So it's going to be under root b over under root a c. So after simplification, whatever you get should be the minimum value.